Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In case you have a Rolex automatic watch, I would definitely recommend to go and grab one of these. This is going to be the watch winder by Dukwin. This is going to be the model for only one watch. In case you have a bigger collection, I would definitely recommend to upgrade to their bigger models. Here is going to be the three models that you can opt for. We have the first one, and as you can see, the colors really pop. I really like this because it is going to stand out. Here's going to be the manual with everything that you need to know how to use it. As you can see, we have two switches right here. I can go on after the off switch. I have clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, and counterclockwise, and fixed winding mode. And also we have the option to choose how many rotations there are going to be in 12 hours. It is going to run for 12 hours and then it is going to stop. So as I mentioned, the switches are here. I can start it clockwise by rotating the first switch, and as you can see, the Rolex is now being winded. In case I want to wind it in the opposite direction, so counterclockwise, I can do that. Then I can go for the third option, which is both clockwise and anti-clockwise. So it is going to go a few times in one direction, then switch to the other one. And as I mentioned, every 12 hours, it is going to have a pause. Then in order to access your watch, we are going to unscrew this part right here, a really cool and fun lid, and now we have access to the watch. So I'm going to pause it just like that, and now I can pull out my watch just like that, and here I'm going to press it down right here a little so that I can remove the watch, and this is going to be the support. As you can see, it can accommodate very large watches and also very large cases. So it doesn't matter if you have a large wrist, a smaller wrist, it is going to accommodate your watch, and then you are going to be able to put it back in. So it is going to be very easy to use. And as you can see, guys, my vintage Rolex watch is now winded. And in case you don't have the time to wear it all the time and you want your watch to be wound, make sure to grab one of these. In my opinion, a great one watch winder, especially if you have an automatic watch, in my case the vintage Rolex watch. A very nice and also a very nice display piece. So we have the functionality of it and we also have the beauty of it, which in my opinion is maybe even bigger than the functionality, since it is going to be very nice to look at your watch. And I really like the fact that you have this lid because you can also protect it from dust and other things. If you were to, let's say, not wear it for a longer period of time, make sure to grab it on Amazon. I really like how it looks, how it works, and in my opinion, very nice premium products for a fraction of the price that they would deserve, guys.